Read the instruction for use carefully before performing the test. Collect nasal swab specimen. Remove the test device from sealed foil bag pouch and use it as soon as possible. Unscrew the cap of the buffer bottle. Squeeze the buffer bottle and add the buffer into the extraction tube. Immerse the swab after sampling into the sample extraction buffer. Make the sample extract completely penetrate into the swab. Rotate for 10 seconds and squeeze the swab several times to keep the liquid in the tube as much as possible. Take out and discard the swab. Put on a nozzle to the top of the extraction tube tightly and gently shake the tube to mix the inside liquid well. Add 3 drops, about 70 to 90 ml of above prepared specimen liquid, through the tube nozzle into the sampling well of the test cassette. Read the result visually at 15 minutes. Do not interpret the result after 30 minutes.